Welcome to Turn2Web. Click on Choose Template to begin. Once you've selected your template, it's time to add your content. You can easily edit text and upload images. Now let's make the design uniquely yours. Customize colors, fonts, layouts, and more to match your style or brand identity. Once you're satisfied with your content and design, click Publish to make your website live. To give your website a personal or professional touch, connect your domain name. Let's get started. Click Choose Template. You are free to choose any template that appeals to you. Preview and choose a template. If you want to change the theme, please click here. And to change page layout, click here. Update your content using any of the options. Edit content with form, edit content like form, or with what you see is what you get editor. Once editing is complete, update styles with color wheel, subthemes, variables, web terms, or custom CSS. You are now prepared to launch your website. Select Preview to review its appearance. If all aspects meet your expectations, proceed to Publish by clicking the Publish button. Please review the preview of the generated publish request. If the preview does not align with your expectations, kindly select Preview Not as Expected. We will then proceed to delete this publish request and restore the corresponding amount to your balance. If the preview meets your satisfaction, kindly select Authenticate. Once authentication is complete, you will get an option to approve. Click on the Approve button. This will publish your website to your permanent link. This is the permanent URL for your website. On the website links, you can view your website by clicking here, and you can also share it by downloading these QR code. If you wish to enable or disable your website link, please click here. And if you have configured a custom domain name, it will publish to your custom domain also.